Skyries, Mother Nature. Sky, when you're growing up, you're gonna see a world that I never saw. The world that I saw was totally different. Many people now in my time deny the fact that global warming is happening. That's fine. If they don't want to believe it, they don't have to. They're free people. You be friends with them. Do everything you can, you know, to help them through life if they need you. But for you, I want you to understand global warming is very real. In fact, it's coming faster than what most people are saying. I've done warnings. I put a lot of warnings on CNN I Report. I put it out there on Facebook, Twitter, you name it, it's put out there. Nobody listens. It's simple as this. Right now we have a major fire situation in California. Imagine Mother Nature and her baby. She can do anything possible to save her baby. So she'll give her medicine, and the medicine we may not like. But she cares for her baby. Just like your mama cares for you. She makes sure that everything's okay, but in the meantime, getting to that okay spot, sometimes it's hard. The world is going to move faster in global warming. I've warned people about Hanford, dirtiest place in the world, right here in Washington, nuclear power. I've warned people about global warming, and they don't listen. They're only going to have to see it. Being ignorant of this is not going to help anybody. Saying no, it's not happening is not going to help nobody. When you look at the science and the facts, you see that global warming is real. The scientists say that it'll take decades. I'm saying within the next 10 years, our Earth is going to shift in a very, very angry way. But your daddy will be there for you. I will teach you how to live off the land. I used to have to do it. So, keep in mind you're a free woman. If you want to believe in global warming isn't happening, that is your choice. But if you believe in it, then you start working with non-profit organizations that are trying to help. They will soften the blow for humanity.
I was seeing results within like 2 or 3 treatments. Extract is covered by all major insurance companies and Medicare.
Earth is an amazing place. Mother Nature takes care of it and makes sure she stays perfect for us so we can live on it. We live in what's called the Goldilocks zone. Now there's a lot of other planets out there like it. We just don't have the advancement yet to get there. Why do they teach Common Core in elementary schools? Because we want our children engaged. We want them learning hard stuff. We want them to be smarter than us. I want you to be better than me. Because you're amazing. Remember, if you're ever in a tornado, earthquake, hurricane, this is Mother Nature healing her baby. She will do what it takes, and humanity will not be in it. It will not be involved. It's almost like she's mad and she doesn't want our help. But we can help. I promise you we can. Hey, remember, you're smart, beautiful, and confident. Your daddy's girl. Love you, Sky.